this is Valerie Willis, and I'm going to give you guys a motivational thing in 1 minute. Normally Paige does this, but today it's Valerie Willis. Hooray! One of the things I try to remind people of, it's not about finding the time, but making the time. Just like everything else, we make time to eat healthy and make our meals. We make time to do our chores. We make time for work. We're always scheduling things. And don't forget to schedule time for writing. Make a date with your laptop. I literally have alarms set in my phone that says date with laptop. And if I hadn't gotten that writing time I wanted in the week, this was my way of guaranteeing that I at least got 2 hours at the cafe with my laptop, no interruptions. A lot of times it takes getting out of that environment. Like I said, you make time, because if you're really a writer and you really want this, it should be habit. It should be something you look forward to, even when you're stuck with writer's block. Something about making that time, seeing it on the schedule, makes it like you have a deadline for your agent to feel, and that's something that you need to get in a habit to doing. That's why National Novel Writing Month is so good for creating that habit and writing as much as you can. So remember, it's not about finding the time. We never can find the time, and if we always waited for finding time, we might lose it every time. So make the time, defend your writing, and do it. Check out the links below for more motivational minutes with Paige and other friends at Writers Atelier. And be sure to subscribe and follow us where you can on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter and Instagram even.